Okay, hi everyone. Today we are looking at a question like this. Now, as you can see over here, it says that two identical triangles. Now, the key word here is the word identical. When I see something is identical, it means that the measurements are the same. Okay, so once I know this, right, I can confidently say that these two triangles, they have the same base and the same height. Okay. Okay, now, so once I'm done with this, I can also see that in sentence number 2, it says that the area of the shaded part is 66, which is, well, you can see over here. All right, this is the 66 one. Okay, now, so the next thing I want to do, right, for any measurement question, okay, you always have to make sure your measurements are out. Right? If not, then why do we call it measurement, right? Measurements out first. Okay, don't go and try to solve the question. No, measurement out first. Now, when I look at the first triangle, which I'm going to highlight right now in yellow, okay, I can see that this is the height and this is the base. What do I mean? This is the base and this is the height. Okay, so I just add a small little note over there. Okay, now, and then for the other triangle, which I'm going to highlight right now in green, I can see that this is the base, this is the height. Okay, and this makes a triangle. Can you see that? So what I can say is I can actually quickly also use maybe another color to say that this is the base. Agree so far? And then to say that this is the height. Am I making sense here? So if you know that this is the base, then isn't it true to say that this is 14 cm? Then isn't it true to say that this is actually 25 centimeters? All right, so these are some of the things that you need to do first. Okay, now once you're done with this, okay, when it comes to an overlapping shape or overlapping figure, you want to split them up. Okay, what do I mean? I'm going to draw them individually. Let's call the first triangle number 1. Okay, for the first triangle number 1, it'll look like this, correct or not? Okay, and we know that the base is 14, so we put 14 over here and we put 25 over here. True? This is triangle number 1. Okay. Now, triangle number 2 will also look the same, even though I know that the positioning is a little different, right? The first one is standing upright, the second one is lying down. So it's okay, just rotate it a little bit, all right? Rotate it to the standing up position. Is that okay? Now, once you get these two, what are you going to do? Step 1, find the area of triangle number 1. So find area of triangle number 1. Triangle number 1 will be half times 25 times 14. Okay, again, because they are identical, what can you do later? You can actually just times 2. Okay, but before I go on to that, I just find the area of triangle 1. We get to 175 centimeters square. Okay, now then for triangle number 2, we also know that it's 175 centimeters square because they are identical. Now, then we also know that the shaded part, again, given in the question, is actually equals to 66 centimeters square. Okay, so what are you going to do? The question is asking us for not shaded. So if I want to find not shaded, all I need to do is triangle 1 minus away the shaded part first. Okay, so what we are going to do is unshaded in triangle 1 is simply just the whole triangle 1. All right, the whole triangle 1. Okay, the whole triangle 1, which is 175 minus 66, that will give me 109 centimeters square. And if I want to find the next one, which is unshaded, in triangle number 2, I will also say that it's 109 centimeters square. So what is the total unshaded? The total unshaded has to be 109 times 2, or you can simply just do 109 plus 109, and therefore your answer for this question has to be 218 centimeter square. Okay, and that's how you find a question that has shapes that are overlapping. Remember, the rule of thumb here is to split it up. Okay, split it up. And best case is if you can draw it out. I think that will be super duper helpful. And I'll see you the next time. Bye.